What we were doing last time?
स्त्रीलिंग आकारांत शब्द.
Striling akarant shabd. Okay. So some of you have sent the homework also, isn't it? Let me see it. Shriya. Okay. Narmada, Narmade, Narmada. Okay, good. Okay, nice. Okay, then Srirang has also sent. Vatika. Vatika. Who is this? Yati, is this you?
Yes, Prabhuji.
That you? Okay. So see,
Yes, Prabhuji.
in the Dvivachan, na,
Yes, Prabhuji.
Hema, where the how I never actually told like this. You are putting how over there, like Hema, Hemau, Hema. You are not following, I think. Huh? All the things that you have written, they are mostly wrong. Maya, Maye, and Mayaha. So where you are referring? I'm doing on the board also. You are not getting. So simple thing is that Aja is there. So in the Ekvachan it will be Aja only, and in the Dvivachan it will be Ajay. And you are writing Ajau. We are writing. Huh? If you can't understand anything, then you can ask na.
Prabhuji, Rama, 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 we write in pulling.
Yeah, so she is writing like a pulling, like a Ram Ramau. So she is writing Aja, Ajau. Huh? You are intermixing both pulling and striling. Huh? Now ask what you can't understand. Ask what you didn't get. Too fast.
Prabhuji, in Striling we have to put O only.
No, where I had put O in any one of the these striling. Where I had put O, au. Huh? On the board, actually you just go and refer after this class you refer the last class. Okay, the recording is there. Then you see where I have put au, in whether it is striling or pulling. Au is nowhere, na. So where you have put it? Hema, Heme, Hemah. Okay, and Radha, I had already told in the class Radha, Radhe, Radha. Aja, I wrote it on the board, but still you are writing it Aja, Ajau, Ajah. I don't know where you are writing it from. You're not getting what we are doing? Tell. You're not getting? Correct it, okay? Now, I think you get it, how to do it. Okay. Some other things. Okay, Srirang has also sent. Radhika, Radhike, Radhikaha, Daksha, 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 Shakha, Shake, Shakha, Kripa, Kripe, Kripaha. Okay, Bala, Bale, Balaha, Usha. Hey, Usha, the Sha will be Murdhanya. This is not, This is talab there. Usha. Getting? Usha is not written like this. Anika, Anike, Anikaha. Arya, Aryo. Arya, you are writing. Huh? And you are writing Aryo, the Dvivachan. See? Will it be Aryo?
Prabhuji, RA.
Srirang. And then?
Sorry, Prabhuji.
Okay, correct it.
Yes. Okay, Prabhuji, yes.
Okay. So Shriya has done all the things right. And then Yati, you just see how Radhika has, not Radhika, Srirang has done.
Yes, Prabhuji.
And Haladini has also sent it in the group. So you just refer na. Why you are writing it's au? Where I have told you au? Hmm? Pushpa, Harshita.
Prabhuji, can you please tell what you were telling out Usha? I didn't understand it.
Usha will be Sha will be Murdhanya.
Okay,
Simple.
Prabhuji.
Shatkon. That is Murdhanya Sha. Usha. You have written Usha. Usha. Usha is no word.
So, okay.
Okay. Okay. So we have discussed many things. Okay. Like in pulling, we had started from the pulling, isn't it? And pulling, the forms are simple. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. There it is au. And you are intermixing. Yati. Now we are not in pulling, we are in striling now. Okay. You are doing the dvivachan like we were doing in pulling. You are writing aja, ajau. Okay. Now we are doing striling. Striling is simple. Aja, ajay. Lata, late. Lataha. Rama, rame, ramaha. Getting?
Yes,
Okay.
Prabhuji.
And it was in the pulling. Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Sureshah, Sureshau, Sureshaha. Okay, simple. Ekvachan, Dvivachan, and Bahuvachan. Okay?
Yes, Prabhuji.
So now everything is clear to all of you. If any doubts, then you can ask. Otherwise, we'll start Napunsakling now. No doubts? Okay. Aradhya, you didn't send your homework. What I had asked. Okay. So let's start the Napunsaklinga. So Napunsaklinga is generally the word which we can't denote. Whether it is, wait. Okay. So first write this Napunsaka. Napunsaka means which have no, like they are not actually into any category, whether it is masculine or feminine. Napunsakaling Shabda. And we will do Akarantah only. Akarantah. There are many, but right now we will do Akarantah. Shabdah. Like Shabdah, Shabdau, Shabdah. Getting? So it is pulling. Okay, it is pulling. So it's Bahuvachani Shabdah. Got it? Shabdah.
There are many in number, so Shabda.
Yes, Bahuvachan. Okay. So, okay, now see one thing. Napunsakaling Shabdah means which can't be categorized into masculine as well as in feminine. Okay, there is a different category. Okay. So by practice and by reading again and again, you will come to know. Okay, slowly and gradually. So there is no shortcut to know all the Napunsaklinga, Strilinga and Pulling Shabdaha. Okay, so if you will keep on studying Sanskrit and by that you will get the idea that which Shabda is Napunsak, Pulling or Striling. Okay, so some of the examples we will do. So the first example can be Fal. Okay, Okay, the famous example is fal. So from the fal, we can't tell that the fal shabd is whether it is masculine or feminine. Okay, so it is a different category that is called Napunsakalinga Shabda. Okay, it is Napunsak. So the forms will be like in the first, like in the Ekvachan, it will be Phalam, A will be, the Ma will be Halanta, and the Dvivachana it is Phalam, and in the Dvivachana it is Phale, Phalam, Phale. Same as Lata, Late, but it was Lata. Now it is Phalam, Phale, and in the Bahuvachan, if more than two fruits are there, it is Phalani. Got it? Phalam, Phale, Phalani. Akarantaha we are doing only. Akarantaha. Okay, actually I'll write here. Akarantaha. So we are dealing with the Akarantaha only. Okay, Visarg. Same. Akarantaha, Akarantau, Akarantaha. Many
Prabhuji,
many Akaranta.
Prabhuji, I have a doubt, Prabhuji. Prabhuji, in Striling and in Striling there was A in everything. In pulling there was O in everything. So in this there will be Halant, Prabhuji.
Au was in the Dvivachana, not in everything. In pulling also. Okay, it is Ekavachana. So in the Ekavachan, pulling, listen first. First listen. In the pulling, it was very simple. If the Ram Shabd is there, it was a Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. Very simple. And then in the striling, it is Akarantaha. So Akaranta is Lata, Lata, Late, Lataha. And in the Napunsakalinga, it is Fal Shabd. And the different forms in Ekvachan, Dvivachan, and Bahuvachan is Phalam, and Ma will be Halant. Phalam, Phale, Phalani. Simple. You are complicating. I don't know how. This is very simple. There is no confusion. There should be no confusion actually. Why you are confused?
We have a doubt.
Okay. So your doubt is clear, Yati? It's very simple. If you are making notes, I'm writing everything on the board. So there is no scope of any confusion. If you are getting confused, it means that you are mixing up the things. Okay, you are not able to separate it. So for that you have to sit and study. If you are not getting anything, okay, sit and then see and then you can ask. But I have made everything very clear. Okay? Yes, Shrirang, what doubt you have?
Like how can we find like Napusakalinga words very like they are a bit hard to find.
No, I have already told you, na. Even Napunsak, what to speak of Napunsak, even the pulling you won't be able to do. Even the striling also. By practicing, if you read literature, if you keep on practicing from the grammar, then you will have this knack. Okay? Like you are finding in Marathi, like you are finding in Hindi. Similarly, you will be able, like in English also. So similar, if I'll say Steve, so by the name only, because you have practiced it in English, so you know the Steve is a male person. If I'll say Rita, so Rita won't be a pulling person, na? It will be a feminine, na? So by that practice, if you keep on practicing the Sanskrit also, and so you will find it out whether it is Napunsaka, pulling or striling. Okay. So for that, you have to be a little conversant in Sanskrit. Okay. So don't worry about that. So right now we are learning it step by step. So that day will also come when you will start recognizing. Okay. So it is Phalam, Phale, Phalani is okay for everyone. In this, if anyone has doubt, then they can ask. No, na. So now we will do some more. Okay. Now pustak shabd is there. Pustak. You know pustak?
May I tell,
Pustak is book. Hmm?
may I tell the conjugation for?
What?
Can I tell the conjugation for?
Conjugation.
Ha.
I asked what is
Pustak.
pustak?
Pustak means book.
Okay.
Now may I do the conjugation? Pustak, pustake, pustakani.
Pustak, pustake, pustakani. Srirang? Tejas is saying pustak, pustake, pustakani.
No, Prabhuji, it will be pustakam, pustake, pustakani.
Pustakam. Pustake. Very, very nice. Pustakam, pustake, pustakani. Very nice.
Like fal we take and we add phalam. So we add ma in that.
Yes.
Phalam's ma.
Fal is the shabda, na? Phalam, fal is the shabda. Pustak is the shabda. So we are taking the pustakam, pustake, pustakani. Okay? Do it. So now we will use everything, whatever we have learned now. Now when we will do, now today lingas will be over, vachanas are over. Now we will take dhatus and we will make some sentences. Then all the things will be used. So keep on practicing those things. They are very important. Now it will be a slightly easier for you, for all of you, to now to know, to learn it.
Sir,
We have
in
done
dhatu,
most of the dhatu. When we will discuss dhatu, then we will discuss it. Okay. So don't
no, I'm
ask any
saying that
questions
some
right
people
now.
they put the square root thing on top of the dhatu. Suppose khad. So they'll put the square root thingy to indicate the root.
I don't know. It's not in the traditional Sanskrit. I never saw a square root kind of thing. Maybe
Because
for
in
the
the
conventional
CBSE, the
thing,
Sanskrit book, they
It will
have
be
it.
like pa pibati.
they can use it as a root, na? From the
Root.
mathematics, I think they have taken this concept, but it's
Yeah,
not a
to
concept
indicate
like
the root, I think so. I think so. I do not know.
So actually, it's not there in any of the traditional Vyakarana. So I think just to make you, because you're already doing math, you are doing square roots and these things. So they are doing it for the root purpose, like pibati, pibata, pibanti. So p and root is there. So dhatu is a root. The root is p. So maybe like that they will be doing. Okay. So now pustakam, pustake, pustakani. Done?
Yes.
Yati, you are getting?
Yes, Prabhuji, I understood, Prabhuji.
Okay. So now, yes, do this. Who can do?
Roji, can I?
Prabhuji, can I?
No, so give chance to others also. Yes, Yati.
Prabhuji, can I say?
Aradhya. Everyone try. Say.
Netra means eyes, no?
Eyes. Okay. Netra, who can tell?
Prabhuji, can I? Prabhuji, it is netram, netre, and netrani.
Netram. 1 second. Netram. Okay. Netre. And then?
Netrani.
Netrani. Isn't it? Is it okay? Okay. Shriram? Okay.
Prabhuji, can we take next example as Vana?
No, but I'm asking that, is it okay?
Yes, Prabhuji, it's correct.
Tejas.
Yes.
Okay. What your CBSE says? Is it okay?
Netram, netre, netrani. Netre, I think I have some I don't know about net.
Okay.
Prabhuji, it's like that only, like Phalam Phale Phalani and all that.
It seems correct. It seems correct. According to the rules, it
Seems
is.
correct.
It is
Okay,
correct. It
but-
is correct.
Okay. According to the rules, it is correct. But what about you?
I would say it is correct because, like, according to the grammar rules, it is correct.
Okay. So say it straightforwardly. Okay, correct. Okay. So it means that still you are confused. According to the rules, it is correct, but maybe if you want to apply some rules, then it may be incorrect also. So you are giving diplomatic answer. Who can say? Who is saying that this is right? Haladini.
Prabhuji, I'm saying from that time it is correct.
Srirang is saying clearly it is correct. Yes, Haladini. Is it correct?
I think so, Prabhuji.
Okay. You also think.
Netrani, should the Netrani have the second? No.
Okay.
No.
You think that.
We have only, A only.
Hmm?
Same as
Shriya is.
Prabhuji, it's same like
Huh? It's same. Okay. Srirang is very clear. Srirang is saying that it's
It is
okay.
correct.
Isn't it? Okay, correct. Okay. So one rule we have to apply. Okay. So write that rule. One rule is there, a little complicated. Not complicated, but very clear. Suppose one word is there, like in case of netra. Again, I'm writing it. In the case of netra. So the rule says, if there is what? If there is ra or sha, murdhanya sha is there on the ending letter, okay. If the rule is if ra or sha is at the ending letter or at the second last ending letter. Okay, I don't have place now. Writing here. Ra or sha, if you write it, if ra or sha is there at the ending letter or at the second last ending letter. Second last ending letter. Got it? What is second last? Or penultimate also we say it. Second last and ending letter. If penultimate not, because in chemistry we do penultimate shell and these things. But some children are small, so they can't understand what is penultimate. Okay. So the rule
the
says
penalty is a rule like in football we say penalty.
no, that is penalty. It is penultimate cell. That is different penalty. That is fine kind thing. Okay. And this penultimate shells, those who are studying chemistry, they might be knowing. Tejas.
I know. Penultimate means like second last, before the last.
Second last.
Ah.
Yes. Second last. Before
In
the
English
last.
also we have
Okay.
this concept. In English also we had this word meaning.
Okay. Okay. So the rule is if there is there is r or sh at the ending letter or at the second last ending letter. Getting the point? This rule everyone has written. If r or sh is at the ending letter or at the second last ending letter or at the penultimate letter, this everyone has written.
Yes, Prabhuji.
Others, Yati, you're writing now.
Prabhuji, so
Hmm.
when you
So-
said
so
that
wait.
Halanta should be at last one. So if we take Netre, then Tata, Tra also has a Halantra in it.
Oh, no problem. Yeah, we are coming to that. Now have patience. First, listen the rule. Then
Last
what will happen to that?
letter or at?
Or at the second last ending letter.
No,
Second last.
Prabhuji. Ending letter or in on the second last ending letter. Prabhuji, after that,
Then
you said
after that, yes, after that. After that, what will happen? Now,
or at.
or at second last ending letter, then na will be ana. Hmm?
Prabhuji, that's what I said. It will be the now.
Hmm. Yes,
Prabhuji,
but you knew the rule. You knew the rule.
No, Prabhuji. I just felt it will be like that.
What?
I didn't know the rule, Prabhuji.
Okay, but I think you have read it somewhere like this, isn't it?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay,
Prabhuji,
then
if
now.
you would like to give
Arey, wait. We'll do some examples. Don't worry. You become very impatient. Okay, then na will be ana. Okay, and suppose now ana is there. We'll take some examples also. Okay, don't worry. Now suppose now ana is there in some of the words. If ana is in the end, okay, this rule is finished. Rule number 1. This rule is finished. So if r or sh is at the end or at the second last ending letter, then na will be written like ana. Okay. And now the rule number 2. If ana is at the end of any shabda which is napunsak and we are converting it to in bahuvachana, okay, then ana will be na. Okay, ana at the end. Got it? We'll do some examples. Don't worry. It will be more clear to you. So if ana is at the ending, so it won't be ana in the bahuvachan, it will be na. Both the rules written?
yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. Yes, Shriya? Others? Sir, Aradhya? Should I erase it? Now we'll do some examples. I'm erasing it, huh?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Now the first rule, we will take some examples. The first example is itself netra, isn't it? Netra, we have done it, no? Okay. So now we have done fifth varna. So this tra, how will actually do the varna of vichhed? Tra, what is tra?
So halant plus ra halant plus a.
Yes. Tra halanta, or I can directly write ra. Okay, it means that a is also there if it's not halant. Okay. So now ra is at the end, isn't it? Ra is at the end, na? Huh? Ra is at the end. Okay. So now the rule says it will become netram, netre, and now generally it is phalam phale phalani. But now ra is at the end of the letter, so it becomes netrani. Okay. Netrani. Okay, correct it now. Okay, where we have written netrani na. Netram, netre, netrani. Do.
So actually, if we had learned this before, like I used to have a doubt, like we had like Napusaka Linga, it was always me. So when we were given the word of Mitra, I used to come and write Mitrani, and I used to lose marks in that.
Yes, but you will not lose now. Okay.
Yes, Prabhu.
Now you know the rule. Okay. Many examples we'll do. You do it first. Now it will be very easier for you. Okay. Now,
The Mitra.
chalo. We'll do Mitra first. Okay. Do. Again, tra. Mitram, mitre, mitrani. Mitram, mitre, mitrani. Now similarly, patra. है ना? Patra. Patram, patre. Now do this. Who can do this? What I have written?
Amra.
The
Amra.
Patram, Patre, Patrani.
Patrani. Okay, very nice. Now you will not lose marks. Just apply the rule. Whether it is mitra, patra, vatra, whatever it is. Amra. Who can do amra? Just
Amram,
try it.
Amre, Amrani.
Amram, Amre, Amrani. Okay, why Amrani?
Prabhuji, because
Arre, wait. You do first. You write it down. Yes, Saladini. Why?
Because mra is ma halant plus ra.
Yes. So ma is there. Okay. And ra is also there. Okay. So it is like ma, and ra. Amra. Isn't it? We have done it. Everything we have done. Now don't ask it. How we have done the Varna Vichhed. The Varna Vichhed will be like this. Amra. Ma is half. Get it? Amra. Okay. We'll sound Amara. We are not saying ma is half only. Okay. Amra. So ra is there. Okay. So now Amram, Amre, Amrani. Getting? Are you getting?
Yes,
Or don't
Prabhu.
make something else. Okay.
Prabhuji, for Pushpa also this would apply.
Yes. Pushpa also.
Sir, will this apply for Vajra?
Yes, Vajrani. Why not? Ra is there. Okay, you do first Pushpa. Pushpam, Pushpe. Now
Pushpan.
Pushpani. How?
The rule.
Because at the second last there is half sure.
Yes. So at the second last, there is Sha. That Murdhanya Sha. Okay. Murdhanya Sha will be there. So it will be Pushpani. Now you come to know. Right? Because it was confusing. Earlier Shrirang used to lose marks. Mitram, Mitra, Mitrani. Patram, Patre, Patrani. Okay. But now you will not lose marks. Okay. So Mitra, these are all examples of Ana only. We'll do some more. Vastra. Simple. Vastram, Vastre. Yes. Patra. Patra we did, na? Patra we did. Okay. Pushpam. Okay. Yes. Now.
Prabhuji, any Shabda with Tarna?
Ji. Yeah. Swaram. Yes. What will happen to Dwaram?
Place.
Huh?
Dwaram, Dware, Dwarani.
Door.
Dwarani. Okay. So your na and ana should be distinct. That's why we did na ucharana for many days. So it's not dwarani, it is dwarani. Okay, see, whenever I say na something, it's very clear. Dwarani, dwarani. Okay, there is no scope of any like writing anything wrong like na. Dwarani is different. Dwarani, ana, that is ana. Dwaram, dware, dwarani. Okay, practice it. Okay, done? Is it?
Prabhuji, the shabd is dwar, right?
Dwa, yeah. Dwaram. The and va. We have done this very elaborately, isn't it? Now you have to practice it. These are very simple things now. You are masters into it. Chakra. What is Upanetra? Chakra. Yes, done. Chakra.
Chakram, chakre, chakrani.
Chakrani. Okay, Ra is there. Very nice. What is Upanetra?
Prabhuji,
No
the
can tell.
meaning?
Upan.
Prabhuji,
Yes.
are they like eyebrows?
No.
Prabhuji, it's
Eyebrows are
something
not
related eyes. Upanetra. Netra means eyes.
So Upanetra. You know Mukhyamantri and one is Upamukhyamantri, Deputy CM. That is supporting. So our eyebrows are definitely not supporting to our eyes. This is a different thing.
Eyelid?
Upanetra. Eyelids. Nine. Eyelids are something else. Like it is the specs.
Face?
We wear na chashma specs. Upanetra. Okay, that is our Upanetra, isn't it? Some people they can't see without the specs, isn't it? So it is needed for them. So Upanetra means specs, glasses. Okay. So Upanetram, Upanetre, Upanetrani. Isn't it same like netra? Done?
Prabhuji, now Yasha.
Yasha. No. Yasha. Yashani. Yasha is pulling shabd actually. Yash is a name of a person. Yash. Yasha, Yashau, Yasha. Got it? Don't fit anything anywhere. Okay. Now do this.
Ratna.
Ratna. Okay, you do this first. Yes, Trinam. Who can do Trinam? Say. Who has done Trinam?
Prabhuji said Trinam, Trine, Trinani.
Okay. Trinani.
Trinani.
Why?
Prabhuji, rule 2, if na is at the end, there will be na. It will change to na.
So rule 2 says if ana is there, okay, if ana is at the end, okay, not at the second last. So in the second rule, it should be only at the end, okay, ana. So now ana is at the end. Trinam, trine, trinani. So if you say trinani, it will be wrong. So ana is there at the end, so it will be na. Got it? Trinani or not? Okay, now both the rules will apply. Now this, do this. What is this? Okay, earlier it was Trinam, Trinae. It should be like Trina ni, Trinani. Okay, it should be like this. Trinani. Okay, this is done. Now Abhushan. So who can do this? Who can do this?
For Bahuvachan, na will come.
In the Bahuvachan, now will come. Why? Sha is also there. See, it is fulfilling both the things. Sha is also at the second place. Ana is also there. Now both the rules. Which rule will be winner?
But the last letter is more important. So
Huh? But according to the first rule, Sha is the second last. So it should be Abhushanani, isn't it? But now the problem is that Ana is also there. So which rule will be applicable here? Yes, Shriram.
but to add na or na, the last letter is more important.
Okay, last letter is more important. Okay.
Yes, Prabhuji,
Yes,
I also
Sriram?
think the same. Last letter is more important.
Last letter is more important. Or 50-50.
Prabhuji, there's already a na, so why do we need another na?
Yes.
No. We have to take it na, because in the Bahuvachan Abhushana. So how can we tell that what is the Vachana of Abhushana?
But the
We
rule
have to
to
apply
say,
that.
Yes,
the
Prabhuji,
rule
that's
to you
what.
gave.
There is already a na, so we don't
Ana
need
is
to
there.
follow the rule one.
Why? Because Ana is there. But
Is there, then it will turn
one thing.
to no.
Right now Ana is there, but in the Bahuvachan it should be like this na, Ani, like Mitra Mitrani, Vastram Vastrani. We are doing like this. So we can't actually change the rule for Abhushana. Okay, it should be Abhushanani or Abhushanani. That is the question. But we can't keep it just like Abhushana. Okay, the question is whether it will be Abhushanani or Abhushanani. That is the question.
Abhushanani. Prabhuji.
Yes.
Abhushanani. Okay. Yes. So it will be Abhushanani. Very nice. So now in this na, both the things had come. So the last letter is important because after all it is going to attach with this. Okay. So Abhushanani. Very nice. So keep this rule in your mind always. Okay. Now done. Everyone did this. Do Chitra. Yati, are you getting or you are still confused?
Yeah, I got Prabhuji.
You are
Prabhuji,
getting now?
Prabhuji, I have a doubt. I got a doubt. Why?
Whenever I ask you now, you always have a doubt. Yes. What is your doubt this time?
Prabhuji, in Chitra, we have to do like in Chitra, choti e is there. So I got
छोटी कहाँ से आ गया इसमें? हैं?
Prabhuji.
Yes, छोटी is there. Okay.
So Prabhuji, we should, if we are writing the other word for it, what will ma will come?
No, actually, I can't understand. What's your question actually? You ask something, but even you are not clear what you want to ask. First, clear the question.
Prabhuji, yes, Prabhuji.
Chitra, yes, Chota is there, yes. So
So, after Chitra, the second Chitra, I'm not the after the second word.
this is tra, the second word, tra.
Yes, Prabhuji. After Tra, the like you wrote no. I'm not getting that after Chitra. Like after we wrote fal. Fal.
Ekvachan.
Phalam phale phalani. Yes.
Yes,
So chitram
Prabhuji.
chitra chitra.
Phalam.
हाँ,
Phalami. We how to write? I'm not getting that.
how to write? That's what I am asking, na? Everyone is writing. Everyone is writing, na? Whatever I'm giving the words. Now it's very easy, na? Huh? Chitra word is there. So very simple. They all are writing. So it will be chitram, chitre, and chitrani. Simple, na?
Okay, Prabhuji. Thank you.
You are not actually getting. I don't know what is happening to you. Simple things. Okay. Chitram, chitra, chitrani. Okay. Some more. Okay. Kshetra. Similarly, tra is there. So what will be the Bahuvachan? Kshetram, kshetre,
Kshetrani.
Kshetrani.
kshetrani, kshetrani. Okay. Now annam, anna, annat bhamti parjanya. Anna, annam, anne, annani.
Meaning
Udyan,
Annam.
anna you daily. You don't know the meaning of anna?
No.
Annat bhavan.
Rice.
Food.
Anna
Okay,
means
Anaj.
grains. Grains. Yes, grains.
Okay.
Annam. Okay. Udyan. Udyan, you know, na? You go to Udyan.
No.
Okay. So you stay here only. Now I'm writing. Bhavanam. What is Bhavanam?
Hall.
Eh? Hall.
Hall. Bhavan.
Hall or Bhavan means the
House,
building.
Prabhuji, house.
House.
No. On a house, how will it be? Like, suppose they name something Bhavan. Let's take MS Subbalakshmi Bhavan, for example. Bhavan,
So
it's
Bhavan
hall,
means
na?
building.
Different programs in there.
Bhavan is a building actually. Bhavan means building.
Prabhuji, you were 2 times. Bhavan.
Huh?
Acha, no, that's okay. Nothing.
What?
Nothing, Prabhuji.
Okay. So by Bhavanam you remembered something. You have to go somewhere. Some Bhavana.
No. See, singing we do na. I do singing na. So every year, ma'am makes us go do annual day thingy. So they have Bhavan over there. So that from that I remember that kind of.
Okay. So Bhavan means not hall. Bhavan means the building. Bhavan. Rashtrapati Bhavan. It's not a hall of Rashtrapati. Bhavan. Or Bharatiya Vidya Bhavan. It's not only hall. It's a building. Bhavan generally we actually it's a very traditional word. Bhavan. Like our houses, we name it like Krishna Bhavan, Ram Bhavan. Okay, in the earlier days. Okay, Bhavanam, good, done. Okay, so Yati, you don't have to write only the word. It means that whatever I'm writing, you have to make the form. Like, okay, others are making in a tabular form. Kshetram, kshetra, kshetrani. Annam, anne, annani. Udyanam, udyane, udyanani. Bhavanam, bhavane, bhavanani. Okay, some more words. Srirang,
Yes, Prabhuji.
Today you are sitting at a quiet place, isn't it?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Okay. So what is this?
Prabhuji,
Navneet.
Navneet is Makhan.
Navneet. This is Makhan. Okay. Navneet Choram. Okay. And he is different.
Prabhuji,
He is-
Navanitam, Navanite, Navanitani.
Very good. Right. Him. Him means two.
Prabhuji, Navneet is a boy's name also, Prabhuji.
Yes. Boy's name can also be Navneet. But the meaning of the Navneet is not boy's name. The meaning means to Makhan. Okay. Navneet. Everything has a meaning, na?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Prabhuji, Himam, Himi, Himani.
Himam, Hime, Himani. What do you mean by him? Him. Himalaya.
Prabhuji, I suppose Him is a Parvat, a mountain's name.
No, Prabhuji. Hima
No,
means
that is
snow.
Himalaya. Him means snow. Alay means the
Okay.
Vasasthan, residence. Okay. Himalaya. Where the him is there. Snow is there.
The
Snow.
snow
Have you seen
resides.
snow? Huh? What? Him. Himam, Hime, Himani. Jalam. Jalam is also Napustak. Jalam. So these are the words. Okay, why I'm giving? Because you can remember them. Griham. Now this is Griham. This is Ghar. Griham. Now who can do this? Griham. Think.
Griham, Grihe, Grihani.
Griham, Grihe,
Grihani.
Grihani.
How?
Because Ra is in the second last, Prabhuji.
Okay. Re is there. Okay. Re is also included in that. So write re also there. In that rule, na, re is also included. Ra and re also. Okay. Write re also. So griha. Griham, grihe, grihani. Ana, ana. Okay. It will be grihani. Grihani. Done? Okay? Done?
Yes, Prabhuji.
Now more Napumsakalinga Shabdas are who is this? Srirang. Now what happened? Yes. What is this? Fenakam. What do you mean by Fenakam? Do you know Fen? Fen means the jhag. Jhag. Jhag means that, what do you call jhag in English? That fruit.
Prabhuji, buttermilk? No, no.
Buttermilk. No. Fenakam means soap, sabun. One who produces fen. Fen means that jhag or fruit. Okay. Fenakam means sabun.
Prabhuji,
Fenakam,
it was
So,
Prabhuji, it was sounding like foam, Prabhuji.
yeah, foam. Yes. Foam is jhag. Okay. We call it froth also, and foam is also. Yes, it is Fenakam. So Fenakam means one who produces foam. and we wash our body, our clothes with that. That is Fenakam, sabun. Fenakam, Fenake, Fenakani. Okay. Then Vanam. Vanam we did na? Nahi. Vanam.
Unlimited Prabhuji.
Okay, we did. Okay, then
Vanam vane vanani.
Vanani. What is this?
What did to one?
Kandukam.
What is Kandukam?
Prabhuji, Kanduka means
Kandukam.
ball.
Ball. Okay, ball. Like Krishna was playing the ball, na, and it went into Yamuna ji, Kalia. That story that he was playing with the Kandukam. Kandukena Sahakridati. Kandukam means ball. Okay. Then
Prabhuji, we hadn't done Vanam.
okay, Vanam. So now you do. Vanam, Vane, Vanani. Simple. Vanam.
Prabhuji, Chhatra or Chhatra?
Chhatra means umbrella. Chhatra is Chhatra is striling and Chhatra is pulling. This is Chhatram. Chhatram means umbrella. Chhata.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Pustak also we did. Chhatram, Chhatre, Chhatra. Now tell.
Chhatrani.
Chhatrani. Okay. Chatram, Chhatre, Chhatrani. Okay. Okay, one last. Vayuyanam. What is Vayuyanam? Or Yanam
Is
also.
it aeroplane?
Aeroplane. Vayuyanam. Vayuyanam, Vayuyane, Vayuyanani. Okay, how many we have written? I think this much is okay for the starting.
Prabhuji, we wrote many. We wrote 27 something.
Okay, write one more. Oh, sorry. What is this?
Dugdham.
Prabhuji, Dugdam. The Dugdham.
Dugdham. Dugdham. What do you know Dugdham? Dugdham means milk, or it is also called Kshir. Kshir Sagar. Kshiram Kshire Kshirani. Dugdham Dugdhe Dugdhani. Done? Sometimes our kheer is also called Kshiram. Kshir. Okay? So these are Napumsak ling words. Sabda. Okay, done? Everyone did this? Okay. Dugdham, Kshiram. Okay. So in the next class, okay, if you have any doubt, then we'll do that. Otherwise, we'll start Dhatu root.
Prabhuji, homework?
Homework,
I didn't get
it will be
Vayuyanam.
Vayuyanam, Vayuyane, Vayuyanani. Simple. Oh my God. So much noise.
Vayuyanam means what, sir?
Vayuyana means aeroplane.
And the third
Yanam
one?
means
Prabhuji, it was sounding like aeroplane only, or the air.
Vayuyanam, Vayuyane, and the third will be
Vayuyanani. I think you joined late. Yanani. You joined late, I think. So you just see the video, okay, recordings, and you will come to know that we had discussed some important things. Okay. Okay. So in the next lecture we'll meet, and the homework is try to find, because it's very difficult to know whether it is Napunsakling or pulling, but still you try. Okay, you come up with some words, and then I'll tell you whether it is Napunsak or pulling or striling. Okay. Okay then. Hare Krishna. Dhanyavada. Punah Drakshamaha.
Prabhuji, I
Hare
have a
Krishna.
question.
Thank you, sir.
Hare Krishna.
Prabhuji, I have a question. What does Dugdam mean?
Dugdha means milk. Milk. Sheer is also milk. Dugdha means milk. Dugdam dugde dugdhani. Kshiram kshire kshirani. That is kshirani. Got it?
Yes,
Huh?
Prabhuji.
Dugdam means milk. Milk. Dugdha. Okay? Okay then. Hare Krishna. Dhanyavad. Punah Drakshamaha.
Dhanyavad.
Hare Krishna. Prabhuji.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna.
Leave.